Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about little black boxes. This kind. This happened to me a few days before I was about to record my next batch of videos, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you sooner rather than later how I solved it, in case it happens to you. As you can see, the numbering in the lists has a block of black over the top of it, and whatever you try to do with editing functions, it doesn't seem to solve it. I don't know how it happened, but it happened when I was trying to create a PDF from this document. So somewhere during that process, it blacked out. Needless to say, I went straight to the internet to try to find a solution. And there were quite a few that didn't make any sense and I couldn't get to work. But then I found this one, which is actually really simple, but a bit of a pain. What you have to do is to create a completely new style for your list. But first, you need to go into the one that's corrupted and take down all the settings, so that when you apply it, all your text doesn't go awry. Then create your new style, but make sure that it isn't based on any other style. Remove any text from that box. Once you've done that, all you have to do is apply it to your text. I hope this helps if you find yourself in the same situation. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.